Good morning, Sacred Heart Primary. Today is the first day of the lockdown. The lockdown is going to be hard for all of us. We're not used to being cut off from our friends and family, but it's necessary that we do this. I was thinking of St. Benedict while thinking about the lockdown. He was a Catholic saint that lived around the 5th century. St. Benedict started many monasteries, and people still follow that tradition today. Living in a monastery is being cut off from the rest of the world. These people, men in monasteries and women in convents, cut themselves off and devote their lives to prayer and work. The motto of the Benedictines is Orate et labora, which means pray and work. So, during this time, we mustn't just sit around at home. We're going to have to find things to do with our lives. We're going to have to pray, yes, and we're going to have to work. I've got some ideas that I want to share with you now. So let's look at them. You can clean the windows. You can make your bed at home. You can work in your garden at home. You can help hang up the washing. You can take your dog on a walk at home. You can help clean the house. You can help cook the lunches. You could wash the dishes. I'd like to end with a prayer to Saint Benedict for our protection. Let us pray. Dear Saint Benedict, I thank God for showering you with His grace to love Him above all else and to establish a monastic rule that's helped so many people. We ask you to please intercede that God might protect us, our loved ones, our home, our property, that we will be never separated from Jesus, Mary, and the company of the blessed. Through your intercessions, we will be delivered from spiritual oppression, physical